How about the best preventative strategies for keeping your skin healthy, other than avoiding the sun and, I guess sunscreen, but other things that people can do at home maybe?
Yeah, so, antioxidants that we, talked about,
Hmm. Hmm.
it's major. I mean,
Okay.
it's so good for the skin. It's reparative and it's also preventative. So antioxidants are good to put into the skincare. And then, like massage, I'm very big
Hmm.
like in my facials with massage. That's like another really good way to stimulate blood flow
Hmm.
in the skin. And when you have blood flow, you have oxygen and nutrients that are feeding the skin cell. And so that's very rejuvenating, reparative. And then also lymphatic drainage. Get rid of some of, even, you would know, Gary, like after surgeries,
Yeah. Yeah.
like that can help heal, lymphatic drainage. But, lasers can also build collagen, LED light therapy is like really other good. There's like so many great things.